In this video, I'm going to show you how to add US30 on MT5 mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to actually sign into MT5 with a broker that supports the US30. So you want to go to the top left, tap on the three lines, and then here you want to go to manage accounts and sign into an account which supports US30. You can find it on Google, you can Google it, and it's going to tell you I'm currently signed in into my MetaQuotes demo account here, so from MetaTrader 5, and it actually does support it. So after you are into it, your account, after you basically have signed in, you want to go to the bottom left, tap on quotes, then go to the top right and tap on the plus button. And from here, under find symbols, you want to type in US30, and there we go, it's going to find it, US30, and then on the right hand side, there's going to be the plus button like over here. I have it added already, so I don't have the plus, I have the check mark, but just tap on the blue plus and it's going to add it, and you can go out here, and then at the very bottom you'll be able to find your US30. I can just tap on it like that, and I can go create a new order, see the chart, properties, stuff like that, and yeah, that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.